Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In this video we will be using this Mosaic Level Up product that I just received recently, and let's just see quickly what it promises. It promises that it quickly smooths nail surface. It's incredibly self-leveling, and that's a nice way of saying it's runny, probably. And it's a natural nail strengthening, so it's kind of like an overlay, right? UV cure time is 36 watts, 2 minutes, and LED is 60 seconds. Oh, it shows that it soaks off in 10 to 15 minutes with the UV lac remover or file off. Yeah, we had a bit of an issue in a previous video soaking off the rubber base. Check out that video. I will link it below as well, so hopefully we'll make...
I think it was...
Okay, so the previous video, I'm so sorry. It also soaks off 10-15 minutes with UV lac remover to file off. So, yeah, I don't know. But anyway.
But yeah, the Fiesta by Mosaic, that one was a bit of a challenge to get off. That one, you know, we tried to soak off twice and it was still being exceptionally stubborn.
Yeah, so it was not soaking off properly.
Yeah. But I mean, beautiful color. You know, the application was really nice. I loved how it made the end of my finger glow like crazy underneath the light. I thought that was I got a kick out of that. But the removal was challenging, definitely.
It matches your tattoos.
All
right, so this one, it's kind of like a, I would say, okay, smoothing gel, builder in a bottle, that kind of stuff, right? All right, so we're going to be curing these in this lamp.
Yeah, the Mosaic.
Which is the Mosaic lamp, and they don't say, okay, so they don't say the low heat or the regular heat. So I'm gonna first put it on low heat just to make sure there's no heat spike, and then cure it twice in 30 seconds. So a minute on a full cure.
Or we could just do a minute on full cure anyways.
No, the low heat, it means that it's not as intense.
Oh.
And I want to give it eventually intense light for a minute. All right, so we already cleaned these nails off. So these had the other gel from the previous video, which is now removed. But we're gonna also use, so I'm gonna do two different things. I'm going to, first use this one. The Freshener is like a dehydrator.
Dehydrator, yep.
So let's do this quickly.
Yep.
And
this will be worn for
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
So yes, we're gonna really test this properly. Yep. And in 2 weeks, we will film another video with kind of our experience with the product.
Yep.
And
actually, this is the first 2-week one we've done in quite a while. Like we haven't done a 2-week test video.
The Zoya we did 1 week.
Well, I mean, we've done like a huge stretch of just kind of 1 week testings and stuff. So it'll be interesting to do a 2-week again.
So on this hand, I'm going to use the primer and put it all over the nail. God, this one stinks. Oof, I'm gonna put it. All right.
We've had a bit of a malfunction.
Okay. Pretend it never happened. So this one has HEMA, I think, or HEMA. So I would suggest not touching this product. What are you doing?
I said
right.
We had a malfunction.
And on this hand, I'm going to just do the free edge. Touch up the free edge and see, maybe that's why the other one didn't soak off, although according to application it should be over the whole nail, but it's really made the polish stick.
What does Mosaic say?
Put it on the full nail.
And what are you doing?
Yeah,
it's always do what is recommended by the manufacturer.
Okay, so this is per recommendations, and this is, this is my testing.
Yes.
Okay, so
this is the guinea pig hand.
Yeah. I'm gonna shut off my fan here. So this is much thinner than the rubber base.
So this is what, 2 coats or 1?
They kind of say 1 coat, but I'm gonna do...
I say we just do 1. Do as recommended. and just see how everything works out.
Okay, so on one nail we'll do 2. Because I prefer using 2 thinner ones as opposed to 1 thick one. But...
well, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
So I kind of wait for this to level a little bit, because this one actually leveled out quite well. So now I'm going to cure it on a low heat. I mean, just flash cure it. Feel anything? How much?
5.
Oh, really?
5 out of 10, yeah. Because it heats up and it heats up fast.
Oh.
Like, I mean, right now, like, there's still kind of like a tingling sensation.
Wow.
Yeah. Because you can feel everything still doing its thing. And that's after only, what, 2-3 seconds, maybe? If that?
Yeah, so, and that was low heat, really.
Yeah. But it's not heat, it's like a tingling sensation I'm feeling at this point.
Well, yeah. But I'm just saying on the low heat. Yeah, because it kind of shrinks. Okay, so put it just in front of the lamp, in front. And this is on low heat. Okay?
Still.
You felt it, eh?
Oh, yeah. That's in front. It went to about a 3 out of 10, I would say. But...
okay, this one goes in flat, just like that, in front of the light. You felt it? Like a lot?
well, an unsuspecting client would definitely be shocked, to say the least.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just put it on the low heat again, all of them.
Okay.
Anything?
No. Now, I'm not saying like there's like a terrible heat spike where it feels like someone's driving a nail through your nail, a nail through your nail, or taking a lighter to your nail in any type of way. Like it's not like this like extreme pain, super heat spike. It's just like you can feel it. Like, you can feel the warmth. And I would just say that out of my experience of a 1 to 10 when it comes to getting my nails done and the heat spikes, it's about a 3 to a 5. There's one that was like maybe closer to a 7, but it's quite bearable. It's not like a painful experience. But I mean, for someone who's not expecting it, I could see how it would be very shocking, and they would be very inclined to pull their hand out, if not, smack the top of the lamp and then possibly go flying and create pandemonium.
Okay, so the Mosaic, I'm just watching their video, and it's showing that you can actually like build it up.
Right.
Like putting a huge coat of this. Like, so they tell you to put first thin coat and then kind of like go over.
Right.
That's gonna heat up. So I don't, okay, so look, hold on. Just gonna go back. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, let's do it this way. See?
Huh. Interesting.
So this is what kind of, although I don't like when it rounds off on the end like that. But if I put this much on your finger,
and put it in for like high heat, that's gonna light you up.
Yeah,
that's gonna light you up.
Okay, so we're gonna do this one next. I'm gonna try maybe use the UV lamp, the traditional bulbs, you think?
No.
Okay, so you see, according to the instructions, they suggest kind of building up the gel, right? But I don't feel comfortable doing this because you mentioned the heat already. And your nails are not overly damaged or anything like that. So,
and I mean, this has nothing to do with pain or anything like that. Like, I mean, as I said,
I see
like
a little bit of shrinking
okay.
here, pulling away.
Right.
I'm seeing this here as well.
Interesting.
So, yeah. So this has to be flash cured. What do you feel?
Same as last time. There's a heat spike.
Okay. Just put it in front.
Oh.
Okay. Put it. You literally need like 1-2 seconds to freeze cure the gel or set it.
Well, I'm not putting it in there for long. It's like 2-3 seconds.
Okay. So I would suggest, if someone is interested, to build up the nail a little bit, to do this in 2 coats. To ensure proper cure and to avoid the spikes, the heat spikes. Can you cure this one like flat, like this? Just put it on top of, like, yeah. So, what? You felt the heat? On the thumb? Okay, let's give me the other hand. We can't see it. All right, let's remove the hair. It kind of doesn't have a super shiny surface. I do like it though.
Let me see. Yeah.
It does look super natural, that I have to say.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, it was supposed to be a minute. Let me just remove the sticky layer from the thumb first. This one. Just so you can touch this hand. Slightly more shiny, interestingly enough. And let's just cure this one again for the 30 seconds. For the full 60 seconds as recommended by Mosaic.
So while we have 30 seconds, if not less, of curing time here, always remember, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, go check out our Patreon, go check out our channel, go check out all the other videos we have. We have a plethora of knowledgeable videos at the ready for free for you. Remember that. But if you want to support the channel, please check out our Patreon.
And I'm actually putting more of the Watch Me Work videos because they are much longer videos and they're more for professional nail techs. So if you are a professional nail technician or you're planning to be one, then definitely you'll find these videos very helpful. And I answer more questions on that channel as well because it's a paid channel. Right now it's $5 a month. But that allows me to kind of spend a little bit more time on that channel as well.
Yeah.
And
you can pay to be our friend. We'll hang out with you there. You know?
But you know,
for $5 a month, we will be there for you.
You can do for free, obviously.
Yeah.
This one squeaks a little bit, eh? It's your favorite. Okay, so this one is okay. So with this, I put slightly thicker coat. I kind of skimmed over the nail a little bit more.
Yeah, rather
tiny
than
bits.
Like
I didn't
being heavier-handed.
Exactly, because I feel that if you were heavier-handed with this one, it would almost like brush it off the nail. So
well, we'll see.
I actually like it.
Yeah.
I really like it. Cool. I like that look.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll use oil, and let me know, guys, what you think about this product. And please give me a guess if you think it's going to soak off or not.
Yeah.
Because we were shocked with the Zoya removal. Like, we were shocked. But, okay, I'm going to link that video below, too. It soaks off. Well, you have to see it.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It was
crazy.
It was crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
So I'm kind of wondering, curious how this is going to remove. So let me know if you have an experience with this product, if you've used it. Let us know for sure.
Yeah.
And if you use Mosaic, because I know not too many people know Mosaic, but again, it's a European brand. It's a little bit more of a niche. It's an interesting boutique-y kind of a brand. So, all right. So again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in 2 weeks with the removal.
That's right.
And subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can actually be reminded by YouTube of this video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.